Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can take a screenshot in Filmora, so let's get right into it. Now, Filmora does have an option which is called snapshots, which you can very easily take a freeze frame, for example, and use it in your media. Now, you can use any other tools to make a screenshot of just the video frame. However, why not just use the snapshot option when you already can? So, to take a snapshot, you just need to select the video at hand, and on Windows, I'm not sure for Mac, you can use the shortcut Control-Alt-S, and that's going to create a snapshot. As you can see, you can choose the format. I'm going to choose JPEG. It's going to show you where it's going to be saved. Set the snapshot as thumbnail if you want to, and you can remember my choice if you want to. Doesn't really matter. I'll just click OK, and that's immediately going to be added to your media folder or media window or panel, call it whatever you want. Now, that is pretty much it. You can also take snapshots using this button over here. So let me just move it around, move it to this snapshot. I'm going to just click snapshot right over here, click OK. And now I have two different snapshots. And that is pretty much all there is to it. These snapshots are now technically videos. However, they are just a freeze frame. So that is pretty much it. They're only going to display that frame itself. And that's pretty much it. And yeah, I mean, that's literally all there is to it. You can use these as thumbnails, you can use these as images, you can use these as pretty much anything. Just access them from the files or from the media window, and that's all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.